A lot of businesses run where it's owner focused and the owner kind of takes all the credit, he calls all the shots, and is the best at what they do and controls everything. Our model is a little bit different. Here we like to empower our craftsmen to be the best they can possibly be in each category that we work on. We have our different crews. Each of them are specialists in their own field, and they know far more about their specific trade than I do. And so my job is to facilitate a good working environment for them and to bring in good customers, good jobs in order to keep them employed, keep them busy so that they can turn out their craft and make our customers very happy. Part of empowering our craftsmen is to ensure that we're carrying on the legacy of craftsmanship that we have here. So we have some older craftsmen who are getting ready to age out or retire, and we want to make sure to find young people or apprentices who can learn from them in order to carry on the traditions and all of the skills that these older craftsmen have built up over their careers.
When you call us, a live, knowledgeable person will answer the phone and we'll be able to answer your questions, or if not, we'll be able to find out those answers for you.
Our craftspeople work to prioritize the longevity of the piece. We work to do techniques that are non-invasive and non-destructive, so no shortcuts. We do the work to ensure the piece will last for generations to come.
We've been here for 40 years and we are investing in our team and our people and our equipment so that your pieces are in the safest hands possible so that we can be here another 40 years.
Our quotes are always final. There's no hidden fees and there's no surprise charges. We stand behind our results with a full guarantee. We've served thousands of happy customers in our 4 decades of business. Our Google reviews are a testament to our dedication to our craft as well as our clients.